Let's be honest, folks, canned food sometimes gets a bad rap, but not canned corn. This humble can has stood the test of time, becoming a beloved staple in households around the world. It's a pantry staple, a reliable friend in the kitchen. Whether you're whipping up a quick meal or planning a feast, canned corn is always there, ready to add a touch of sweetness and crunch. We've all been there. Late night craving for corn chowder, a last-minute barbecue side dish needed. Canned corn is versatile, fitting seamlessly into a variety of dishes from hearty soups to vibrant salads. Canned corn is there for you. It's the unsung hero of many meals, providing convenience without sacrificing flavor. Imagine the joy of opening a can and instantly having a burst of summer sweetness at your fingertips. But have you ever stopped to think about the journey those golden kernels take from the field to your plate? It's a story of dedication, from the farmers who grow the corn to the workers who process it. It's a fascinating process involving hard work, ingenuity, and a dedication to quality. Each can of corn represents a collective effort to bring you the best product possible. We're going to get our hands dirty, figuratively speaking, and explore the ins and outs of how canned sweet corn is made. From the moment the corn is harvested to the final sealing of the can, every step is crucial. We'll follow the journey from the farm to the factory, uncovering the secrets behind this humble yet essential food. You'll see the meticulous care taken to ensure each kernel is perfect. Get ready to see canned corn in a whole new light. It's not just a convenience food, it's a testament to agricultural and industrial prowess, a symbol of how far we've come in food preservation. This is the real deal. The story of how that sweet, crunchy goodness ends up in your pantry, ready to go at a moment's notice. So next time you reach for a can of corn, remember the journey it took to get there and appreciate the simple, enduring appeal of canned corn. The journey begins at the crack of dawn, long before the sun has a chance to really heat things up. The air is crisp, and the fields are cloaked in a gentle mist, creating a serene yet bustling atmosphere as the farm springs to life. Harvesting corn for canning is all about timing. It's a race against nature, where every second counts. You want to catch the corn at its peak ripeness, when the kernels are plump, juicy, and bursting with sweetness. This is the moment when the corn is at its most flavorful, offering a perfect balance of sugars and starches. Farmers know just when the time is right. Their experience and intuition guide them, honed over years of working the land and understanding the subtle signs of readiness. They'll check the ears, feeling for plump kernels and that telltale milky juice. It's a delicate balance. The slightest misjudgment can mean the difference between a perfect harvest and a missed opportunity. Wait too long and the corn will become starchy and lose its sweetness. The kernels will start to dry out, and the once vibrant golden corn will turn dull and less appetizing. Once the corn gets the green light, it's all hands on deck. The entire farm team mobilizes, each person knowing their role in this well-coordinated effort. Large harvesting machines move through the field, stripping the ears from the stalks with impressive speed and efficiency. These machines are marvels of modern agriculture, designed to handle vast acres of corn with precision. It's a well-oiled operation, with every movement geared towards getting the freshest corn from field to factory as quickly as possible. The coordination between man and machine is seamless, ensuring that no time is wasted. The freshly harvested corn is loaded onto trucks, ready for the next stage of its transformation. The clock is ticking. Every minute counts in preserving the corn's peak freshness and flavor. The sooner the corn reaches the factory, the better. There, it will be processed and canned, locking in that just-picked taste for consumers to enjoy. This journey from field to factory is a testament to the dedication and hard work of everyone involved, ensuring that the corn you enjoy is of the highest quality. The trucks arrive at the factory, piled high with freshly picked corn. These trucks have traveled from various farms, each carrying the golden bounty of the season. The sight of these trucks, brimming with corn, is a testament to the hard work of the farmers and the promise of a bountiful harvest. The air is filled with the sweet smell of the harvest. It's a scent that signals the beginning of a meticulous process to ensure that every ear of corn is handled with care and precision. But there's no time to relax. The corn needs to be processed quickly to preserve its freshness. Every second counts, and the workers move with practiced efficiency, their hands a blur as they handle the corn. First up, it's cleaning time. The ears are loaded onto conveyor belts, where they're tumbled and washed to remove any dirt, debris, or stray leaves that might have hitched a ride from the field. The washing process is thorough, ensuring that every ear is spotless before moving on to the next stage. Next, the corn goes through a rigorous inspection process. Only the best ears make the cut. Workers meticulously examine each ear looking for any signs of damage or imperfection. Damaged ears are discarded and any remaining silks are removed. This step is crucial to maintain the quality of the final product. The workers' keen eyes and swift hands ensure that only the finest ears continue on the journey. It's all about ensuring that only the highest quality corn makes its way into the can. Quality control is paramount, and every ear that passes inspection is a testament to the factory's commitment to excellence. Once the ears pass inspection, they move on to the husking machine. This machine is a marvel of engineering, designed to handle the corn with care while efficiently removing the husks. This ingenious contraption strips away the husks and silks, leaving behind the bare cobs, ready for the next stage of the process. The husking machine works tirelessly, ensuring that each cob is perfectly prepared for what comes next. The journey of the corn is far from over, but with each step it gets closer to becoming a delicious, ready-to-eat product. Now we come to a crucial step in the process: blanching. This is where things get a little scientific, but trust me, it's important. Blanching involves briefly immersing the corn in boiling water and then rapidly cooling it down. You might be wondering, why go through all that trouble? Well, blanching serves several important purposes. First, it helps to preserve the corn's vibrant color, ensuring those golden kernels stay bright and appealing. Second, blanching helps to deactivate enzymes that can cause spoilage, extending the shelf life of the canned corn. And finally, blanching helps to retain the corn's nutritional value, locking in vitamins and minerals. It's a delicate balancing act. Too short a blanch and the enzymes won't be fully deactivated. Too long and the corn will become mushy and lose its texture. After blanching, the corn is ready for its close-up, the canning process. First, the kernels are cut from the cobs using a special machine. This ensures that only the plumpest, most tender kernels make it into the cans. Next, the kernels are measured and dispensed into sterilized cans. Sterilization is key here. We want to make sure those cans are squeaky clean to prevent any unwanted bacteria from joining the party. Once the cans are filled, a little bit of liquid is added, usually water, salt, and sometimes a touch of sugar to enhance the corn's natural sweetness. Now comes the fun part: sealing the cans. A machine presses lids onto the cans and then tightly seals them, creating an airtight environment that locks in freshness and prevents spoilage. The journey isn't over yet. Before those cans of corn are deemed ready for your pantry, they undergo one final crucial step: sterilization. The sealed cans are placed in a large pressure cooker, where they're heated to a high temperature for a specific amount of time. This high heat treatment eliminates any remaining microorganisms that could cause spoilage, ensuring the corn is safe to eat. It's a critical step in the process, and one that's taken very seriously by food safety experts. Throughout the entire journey, from farm to factory, quality control is paramount. Samples of corn are regularly tested at various stages of the process to ensure they meet strict standards for quality, safety, and taste. It's a team effort, with everyone involved, from the farmers to the factory workers, taking pride in delivering a high-quality product. And there you have it, the journey of canned sweet corn from farm to factory. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to preserve the bounty of the harvest, making fresh, nutritious food available year-round. The next time you reach for that can of corn, take a moment to appreciate the journey it's taken. Behind those humble kernels lies a story of hard work, dedication, and a commitment to quality. Canned corn isn't just convenient, it's a testament to our ability to harness nature's bounty and make it available to everyone. But it's not just about convenience. Canned corn is also a surprisingly nutritious food. It's a good source of fiber, which is important for digestive health. It also contains vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, folate, and potassium. So whether you're adding it to soups, salads, or side dishes, canned corn is a versatile and nutritious ingredient that deserves a place in your pantry. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest foods can be the most satisfying.